Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Up. In the previous class, we discussed assessment for learning and assessment of learning. In today's class, we will study another important topic in child development and pedagogy, which is inclusive education and children with special needs. This topic is very important for CTET because it focuses on providing equal learning opportunities to all children. So let us begin today's session and understand inclusive education in detail. Education should be equal and accessible to all children regardless of their abilities or disabilities. Inclusive education ensures that all children learn together in the same classroom. It promotes equality, diversity, respect for individual differences. This concept is very important for CTET examination. Meaning of inclusive education. Inclusive education refers to a system where all children, including those who with special needs, learn together in regardless schools. It focuses on equal opportunities, removing barriers to learning, respecting diversity. Inclusive education ensures that every child feels valued and included. Children with special needs CWSN. Children with special needs are those who require special supports and care due to physical, mental, emotional, or learning difficulties. Examples: learning disabilities, hearing impairment, visual impairment, intellectual disabilities, autism. These children need additional support in a learning. Types of disabilities. Common types of disabilities: physical disabilities, problems related to movement or body function. Sensory disabilities, hearing impairment and visual impairment. Intellectual disabilities, limited cognitive functioning and reasoning abilities. Learning disabilities, difficulty in reading, writing, or mathematics. Importance of inclusive education. Inclusive education is important because it promotes equal opportunities for all students, encourages social interaction and acceptance, builds confidence and self-esteem, reduces discrimination. It helps create a fair and inclusive society. Role of teacher in inclusive education. Teachers play a crucial role in inclusive education. Teachers should understand individual differences, use flexible teaching methods, provide additional supports when needed, encourage participation of all students. A supportive teacher helps students feel included and confident. Strategies for inclusive education. Teachers can use the following strategies: use simple and clear language, provide visual aids and examples, encourage peer learning, give individual attention, use differentiated instruction. These strategies help all children learn effectively. Barrier free learning environment. An inclusive classroom should be barrier free. This means physical accessibility, ramps, and seatings. Supportive classroom environment. Equal participation opportunities. A barrier free environment helps students learn without difficulties. Key exam points: inclusive education means education for all. CWSN need additional supports. Teachers must use flexible teaching methods. Focus is on equality, diversity, and inclusion. So, in today's class, we discuss inclusive education and the needs of children with special needs. We learn how teachers can create supportive and inclusive learning environment for all children. Understanding inclusive education helps teachers promote equality, diversity, and effective learning. If you found this class helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more classes in this CTET CDP complete series. In the next class, we will discuss learning disabilities. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next class on Archana's Teaching Up.